request Mr. Sundar Mohan regarding PU SAMS. How to register? PU SAMS is the one that developed by our center technical staff, and that is very helpful. That kind of software tool where you can register and you can see your progress, internal marks, and attendance. All those things can be seen in that. Okay. And regarding that, Mr. Sundar Mohan will introduce you. Sundar Mohan.
Yes. So, good afternoon, students. So, from now onwards, this PU SAMS is Pondicherry University Student Academic Management System. Right from your registration to results, everything is going to be through this system only. So, maybe for you, I'll just share a screen for you and tell you what you have to do here. So if you have to enter into SAMS, just Google SAMS Pondicherry University. The first link what you get here is the Student Academic Management System. With this, you can enter into your login. The login credential for all the students is a temporary measure. We are giving your PU number through which you have paid the fees. So the PU number is your registration ID, which is the temporary ID students. Once you log in, you can change your password. So after going to SAMS portal, give your PU ID in student login and enter password. After entering, this is the screen that you are going to get. I'll tell you what is there here. So this is the complete screen. Hope all of you can see the screen. So on the top right corner, you can see one of the student name, Subhash. So if you click in the name Subhash, you can see your basic details. So basic info, whatever application you have filled, those data are filled here. So you can see basic info, academic info, and additional info. And finally, this update info, which you have to do here. Please verify your name, father name, mother's name, mobile number, email, everything you can update here with your permanent address. And if you are going to join hostel, update hostel also. This is very important, which you have to update. If your date of birth is not proper here, then the TC, which is going to be issued after 2 years, will have a wrong date. So whenever you do the first login, check your credentials, and if any issues are there, you can update on your own. Some of the things like your name, if there is any correction, you can mail to us, which we will do the correction. So this is the first part in login you have to do. And the next one is, in the same thing, you have the password reset also. You can see here, reset password is available. The password which we have given you as a temporary measure, you can reset that password and you can have your own password. Here on the top right corner, you can see 3 links. One is the exam schedule. Whenever exams are happening, the exam schedule will be updated here. View timetable. The current timetable, if you want to see the computational biology timetable, if you click this, you can see the bioinformatics complete timetable. Just scroll through, you can see the MTech computational biology timetable also. So for your reference, you can see both timetables here and the courses offered. This courses offered is which will show the list of courses offered by different departments from different schools. So if you want to register for any of the soft core courses from some other department, you can just click this. Presently, it is showing our department thing. If you want, you can choose a different department, which it will show the courses offered by a different department. So this is the basic thing which you should know. On left side, this is the first thing which you have to do, that a course registration. Left side, you can see course registration. If you click this, there are some stepwise process which presently during this COVID situation, it is not required. Directly you can come to registered hardcore courses. So here you can see the list of hardcore courses are listed automatically, which hardcore courses are compulsory courses which you have to register everything. So directly by clicking the register button, you can just click for the hardcore courses. The next part is the softcore courses. If you click the softcore courses, the list of softcore courses offered by our department will be listed here. Then this part, what softcore courses you are going to register, that you have to discuss with the faculty advisor and you have to decide. If you are going some softcore courses from some other sister department, on this place search, you can just give the title of the course and search for the softcore which is offered by the other department, and you can register. Mostly for the first semester, most of the courses will be from bioinformatics only, including the softcore courses. So discuss with your faculty member and you can register for your hardcore and softcore courses. The deadline is given as 31st, but it is better if you are going to have the classes started from next week, do the registration early so that the faculty will know who are the students have registered for the course. In this, you can see this arrear course is going to come only on a later part. And if you have registered for some course, if I have to drop a course, the dropping of course can be done within the stipulated time. Dropping of courses can happen on only 3 occasions. If you find there is a timetable clash, then you can drop a course. You register for a course, attend the class, find that this course is not suitable for me, then you can drop a course with the consent of the course teacher. So only these two possibilities is there. Or after registering a softcore course, a faculty is rejecting your selection. In that case, you can drop the softcore course. But dropping of softcore course is allowed only for a particular period. After the deadline of registration of courses, you cannot drop any courses. This is the first part. Next part is attendance and internal mark. For you, it is a current semester. If you see, if you have registered the courses, you can see the list of courses will appear here. And on the right side of the course registration, for example, here you can see in this page, the course teacher name will appear once the teacher chooses the name. So if the teacher is not choosing the name, the message will be there as not selected. Not selected means that you have registered for the course, but the teacher is yet to choose you. You can contact the teacher and ask him to select. Sometimes if you see a reject message there, then the teacher has rejected your registration. You can choose a different softcore course. That is first part. Attendance and internals you can see here whenever it is updated. For all the students, for all the courses, minimum attendance for appearing for end semester exam is 70%. If you have less than 70%, you will not be permitted to write the end semester exam and you will get a grade FA, failure due to shortage of attendance. The next part is fee paid. So if you go here, you can see the fee paid status, what you have done. So whatever payment that you have done it in the admission portal will be updated here automatically. So this is your payment details. All the payment details regarding your online payments which you are going to do through SAMS will be updated in this place. Online fee payment. All fee payments regarding your admissions, exam, tuition fee, everything is through only online mode. There is no offline payment at all. Whatever you do, you can make through this particular links, semester fee, examination fee, or any other fee. Anything you can pay through online mode, internet banking, any cards, you can use anything. Whenever you pay, that will be updated in your fee payment status. Don't do any offline payments. And finally, the last two parts which is going to come at the end of the semester, when you are going to appear for the end semester examination, you have to complete 3 things. One is you have to pay the complete fees. Second part is you have to pay the examination fee. Third is you have to do the teacher faculty evaluation. If you fulfill all these categories, then you are allowed to download the hall ticket. This is the main thing which you have to understand. So with all these things, the whole your 2 years, everything of your academic activity will be inside this SAMS only. So with this, I think you can do the registration of the courses. There should not be any issues, I think so. If you have any doubts in registration or anything, you can mail us. The mail ID of this particular portal is available at the bottom of this screen, which you can see later. And I think with this, all of you should be clear.
So for soft core courses, you need to look in our syllabus. Some papers are prerequisite papers. Okay, so those papers you need to take in that semester to take hardcore paper in coming semesters. Okay, so you need to take a look carefully and discuss it with your faculty advisor, and they will guide you which paper you can choose. Okay, which paper is opted to you. Okay, so this is about SAMS. If you have any doubt, you can mail us so that we can clarify those doubts. If you have any doubt, please let me know.
So regarding soft core subject, in first semester we have to opt how many soft core subjects? Okay, sir.
So that introductory biology is the paper who doesn't have biology background.
Okay, sir.
And students who is having biology background, they will take physical sciences for biologists. Okay, can you see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hardcore papers you can see. First 4-5 papers are hardcore papers. Those are mandatory to take up along with the labs.
Okay, sir.
And go down, please. That is second semester and third semester, fourth semester you have. And softcore papers here, you can see 2 papers are there in first semester. One is physical sciences for biologists and introductory biology. So these 2 soft cores, introductory biology paper is to who doesn't have biological background. Say for example, BE mechanical engineer, BE electronic and all those things, they're not. If they are there, they can take this biological introductory biology. Students who is having biological sciences like BTech biotechnology, BE biological sciences like that, they can take physical sciences for biologists.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Got it, sir.
Yeah. If you want to register other sister department softcore papers, just discuss with your faculty advisor.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.